Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to import a stitch design to Figma. This is a very straightforward process using an extension called Stitch Code to Figma. First, let's go to our project in Stitch. Here I have this 7-day weather forecast designed. We'll start by downloading the project. Once you have the .zip file, extract it and locate the code.html file. Open the code. I'm using right now Google Anti-Gravity, but you can use Visual Studio Code or any other editor. Copy the entire content of the HTML file. Next, head over to the Figma and open the Stitch Code to Figma extension. Paste the code into the text box and click to generate design. And as you can see, the extension processes all the layers and objects from the design. Once it finished downloading, your prototype is ready in Figma for you to refine and enhance. And that's it.